What's good, guys? It's me again, and we're actually here on release day, which is a shock for me because I'm always late with the cops. As you can tell by the title, you probably already know what it is. A Nike box over there. If you're from, I don't know if they got. No, they don't have size. They have it in Europe. I don't know about you Americans. They probably don't have this over there. You got size. Man, I don't even know where the receipt went. Anyway, Air Max 1, UK 9, Summit White, Sunset Pulse, Blank Summit. That fantastic, sensational for me. Oh, okay. So they gave me a fucked up box. I appreciate that. It's been beaten up. You guys have seen these Nike boxes before. Let's get into the shoe though. Oh, okay, there you go. Hold on, let me see what the receipt says. What we got? £90. It was £100 size gift student discount. So yeah. I'm just excited just opening the box up. I mean, I've seen these already because I picked them up in the store. Oh, there's just so much. Hold on, I don't know if you can see that. There's so much sauce right there. You've got the pink, grey. I don't even want to go. Yeah, so let's say grey nubuck. You've got it's like a gradient leather. Probably synthetic leather. You've got nubuck. You've got the mesh. You've got the suede on the green. You've got like a, I don't know. Should we just stick to white? Yeah, let's just say white laces, white mesh. Nike Air Max on here. You've got the Nike tick in emerald green, and then the fluorescent pink Air Max. You've got the green and navy footbed with the Nike Air on the insole. And then you've got the green air bubble, the cream midsole, the green outsole. It's just a sick combination. I'm thinking about putting pink laces on these. And I probably will do it just to give it the extra pop because I feel like white was a bit whack. They could have given us an extra pair of laces. Either green or pink would have been wicked. But these shoes, perfect for the summer, man. This is. I haven't actually caught anything recently that's been too hyped. And so I wouldn't say these were very hyped. They did sell out, but I wouldn't say they weren't highly coveted by all the top sneaker blogs and stuff. But they are so clean. You've got a Nike Air on the back. I'm not even gonna lie, I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm holding the shoe straight, right? Hold on, I'm trying to make sure that it's straight for you guys looking at it. Right, can you see how this bit here is off-centered? Like it should be there, but it's there. Because all of this is in line. The placement of actually the suede, what do you want to say, the suede overlay is off. See, if you see on this shoe, let me see if you know what I'm talking about. On this shoe, it's pretty much straight. This shoe, however, it's okay. Now, from that angle, it looks fine, but when I was putting it over here, now you guys can see, there you go. See how this one moves to the right. So I guess the craftsmanship isn't A1. But listen, guys, I'm gonna wear these to death, so it's not a big problem. But here we go, Air Max 1 South Beach, Miami, watermelon, whatever you want to call them. It's up to you. That's my latest pickup. Picked it up today. Let me know what you think of the shoe in the comments section below. Comment, like, subscribe, all that stuff. Let me know what else you want to see, guys. What other upcoming kicks you want me to cop, unbox, review. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, I know that my channel has been a little bit repetitive, and that's kind of got to do with the fact that obviously I am a student. I've got 101 things to do, especially exam season coming up. No excuses though, I'm just letting you guys know what's going on, so you can understand where I'm coming from. But just let me know what you would like to see in the future. I don't think there's much else to say about the shoe. So thanks for watching. Have a good one. Peace.